Hi everyone, Tom here again from Smartland, and this is the video tour for 58 Sector Drive in Bedford, Ohio. We just got done renovating this property. It's a 3-bedroom, 1-bath. The market value on this one is $89,000, and we think it's going to rent for about $975. So in here we installed all new flooring, we have new paint throughout, we put in new light fixtures, new kitchen appliances, and new plumbing fixtures as well. So let's just go take a look at the property. Now over here we have the bathroom. We installed all new flooring. We also put in a new toilet, a new sink, a new mirror, new light fixtures, and we also installed some new tile, a new tub, and a new shower fixture as well. In here we have the kitchen. So we refinished all of the existing cabinets and countertops on this side of the kitchen. We also installed some new cabinets above the fridge and the stove. We put in new appliances, including a new dishwasher. We also installed a new sink. We put in a new light fixture, and we also put in our new flooring that's commonly found in a lot of our homes.